Sweethearts, you want? Wow.
Guys, ito na yung pinaka-iintay natin. Some, yeah,
It's
like,
like
ice cake.
Hi guys, how are you?
I've ice skated once and I kept on falling down.
Me too. Only one. Only one. Hello guys! Welcome back to Teaming Jollipins channel! Ayan guys, we are going to Dubai Mall. I don't know if really Dubai Mall, but we will try Mochi ba yun? Kasi nag-crave ako sa kanya. Ang tagal na. We will go, Tata!
Chuck E. Cheese!
Yes! Chuck E. Cheese! Gusto ni Ado pumunta sa Chuck E. Cheese. So, basta magagala kami ngayong araw na ito. So, stay tuned guys! At gogora na tayo with baby and his family. Tara na!
15 minutes later.
Hello! Hello guys! We are here in Dubai Mall. Tada!
You know this?
No, mommy, this is okay. Or else they will find us. Hello guys, so ayan, we are here in Dubai Mall. Kasama natin si Mami. Mami is here. So we'll do some exercise. Mami, walking.
Walking exercise.
Yeah, walking exercise. Only window shopping. Just kidding. So Mami, do you miss them? Do you miss the viewers?
Yeah.
Ayan, let's
I miss all the viewers.
yeah, so ayan guys,
Yeah.
miss daw kayo ni Mami lahat. So dito kami, gala-gala tayo. Chuchay with Ate Dia. Hello. Say hi. Chuchay is so amazed. This one. Penguins.
Wow.
Chuchay, oh, but there's no one is doing skating. Ice skating. Do you know how to ice skate?
I've ice skated once and I kept on falling down.
Me too. Only once. Only once, and then I never tried again because I always fall.
Yeah.
Ayan. See,
I tried it.
Mommy wants to ice skate.
Yes, I do. One day I do.
Wow, nice. 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 Hello guys, ayan, nandito tayo sa, ito yung pinaka-famous, this is the most famous waterfall. Waterfall, di ba?
This is an artistic installation.
Artistic installation.
Some famous artist did it.
Ayan. Tara na, so we are looking for that mochi ice cream, di ba?
Yeah.
Ayan, so let's go na.
Hi guys, how are you?
Hi.
Miss you all.
Hello guys, nandito na kami.
You ask them.
po? Kuya, ano po yung pinaka-best ano nyo?
Coconut mango and salted caramel.
Coconut mango. Can we try it? Ito na guys, ito na yung pinaka-iintay natin sa YouTube. Kasi diba, yung mga mag-ASMR tapos mukbang, nagaganto sila. So, gusto ko talaga siyang i-try.
Yeah.
Ito na guys, let's try. I thought chewy, no?
Nice?
It's like ice cream.
No, you can eat.
Baby, oh. Mommy, come.
Ice cream.
Hi guys. Tasty. What is this, mango or
Mango, mommy.
Amma, rice?
Yeah.
Mango?
Ayyo, no.
one bite?
Enough, enough.
You like it? It's good?
Chuchay, no, baby, no. She's got cough, huh?
After this, are we going?
It's nice.
It's nice.
Will you have mango?
We can try baby.
Okay, tell him, no, what all flavors you want.
I want to try Nutella.
Why you want to try?
Ay, strawberry cheesecake.
Nutella is just Nutella, no?
Okay, no, strawberry cheesecake na lang.
Ado, what do you want?
This one is nice.
Oh my god.
Diyakondu vanda?
I'll take cookies and cream.
Huh?
Cookies and cream.
Okay, one cookies and cream.
What do you want, Ado?
എനിക്കറിയാം ഏത് ഐസ്ക്രീമാണ് ഇഷ്ടം.
നമുക്ക് അടിയിൽ സൂപ്പർ മാർക്കറ്റ് ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ പോവാം.
Doesn't want?
No, we will buy another one. Sirek വേണ്ട?
എനിക്കിത് ഇഷ്ടമായി.
It's okay, let's go. Now I tasted it. You know guys, what I think about this is it's like regular ice cream, right?
Yes.
But it's coated with some
Chewy thing.
Yeah,
It's
like,
like,
ice cake
It's like what do you call that?
content.
Marshmallows.
Ah, yes, like marshmallow.
It's like coated with a very fine layer of marshmallows.
Yeah.
What flavor is this?
It's very strawberry cheesecake cake.
എനിക്ക് വൈറ്റ് ഇഷ്ടമില്ല. ഞാൻ കടയിലൊക്കെ അറിയാം.
Very nice.
മോശമല്ലല്ലോ.
It's a different experience. I love it. Same. Really like it. Is this Korean?
This is supposed to be Korean.
This one may salted caramel.
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 Sweethearts, you want?
Wow. Maybe try salted caramel.
This chuche mami ഒന്നും നോക്കട്ടോളാ. But in the videos they show like it's
It's
very.
so chewy, no? You want to try?
I tried it.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, we already tasted the mochi. Mami, you love it?
Yes, I like.
I love it also.
I love.
Kulit ng mga bata. Ayan, we all love it.
How to say that? Kulit?
Makulit.
Makulit.
So, ayun. So, nanghingi kami ng flyers kasi if example, gusto naming magpa-deliver, pwedeng magpa-deliver. So, guys, I will put the link kung sino yung mga nandito sa UAE. If you want to order mochi, highly recommended. Well, my favorite is strawberry cheesecake and
My favorite is cookies and cream.
ayan. So, very nice, guys. You should try. And also salted caramel, right?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. So those
Really
those three you can try. It's really nice. So ngayon, now we will go, I don't know where, but we will do dawar-dawar, gala-gala.
Bye.
Bye. Chuchay, what's that? It's nice.
Asitia.
Ate Tia. Hello guys, ayan. So, update, pauwi na kami. So, namili kami ng konti doon sa Waitrose. Ano siya, supermarket siya dito sa Dubai. Hello guys, ayan, nandito na kami sa bahay. Tara na, pasok na sa loob. Pasok na sa loob, let's go up inside. Let's go inside. Hello guys, ayan na ang bindalo ni Mami. Ayan. Guys, eto na, tikman natin yung bindalo ni Mami. Ah, ang sarap. Nice, Mami. We are waiting for dinner, so this one is for tomorrow, Mami.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, this is for tomorrow, pero naghahanda na kami kasi mas masarap siya. Always, sabi nga ni Mami, mas masarap siya pagka overnight. It's much tastes better. Tastes better pagka nakababad siya overnight. Ayan. So, intayin natin yung dinner natin. Taste test for Daddy Varun.
It's good. Bit spicy.
Yeah. So, ayun guys. Mamaya, ang dinner daw natin is Domino's. Domino's, right, baby?
Yeah, Domino's.
So, Domino's. So, stay tuned kasi kain ng kain. Kain pa rin ang kain. So, panay kain kami dito, guys. So, see you later. Domino's! Tada! What is this flavor, Chata?
I think it is chicken.
Chicken. This one also with... And gaya na yupi na. Wow! Chuchoy chicken? We have chicken here also. I don't know what's so calzone ata to eh.
Pizza? Yeah, which one?
Tara, taste natin tong Sarap.
Pepperoni, beef and chicken. Good.
Yeah, I think much better than Pizza Hut. Sarap. Okay? Kain tayo. Hello guys, we finished our dinner. Ayan, meron pang gulo. So, baby, what can you say about the mochi?
I think is it like I don't think that mochi is the only brand of ice cream like that available.
Yeah, I think there is
A lot of different kinds of it because in the videos it looks very chewy and stretchy.
Yeah, stretchy, yeah.
But this mochi brand, I feel like it's a bit more.
Elegant.
I don't know if it is better or bad or.
But I love it.
Because I didn't try any of the other mochis or that kind of ice cream. But it's very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. What's
I
your
think
favorite?
if it is too chewy, I don't think it will be so nice.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like a very thin layer of marshmallow on top of it. you know?
Yeah. I think it's not marshmallow.
But it tastes like marshmallow.
Yeah, it tastes like marshmallow, but what I know about it, it's a rice cake. Rice cake and then ice cream inside. But it's really nice, guys. You should try this mochi, no? Mochi in. They have in Yas Mall, in Dubai Mall.
And then
Okay,
it's,
wait.
it's like 3-piece 48 dirhams. So it doesn't come cheap and it's very small ones.
It's very small one, but you should try, guys.
Yeah.
But by the way, we bought this for Chuchay. Ayan. This one, just this is promotion, guys. Gummies Sunshine product. Sunshine Nutrition. It's buy one get one. So it's 68 dirham each. But now it's buy one get one. So we save 68 dirham. So dalawa na siya. Ayan. So let's do
Shout out.
shout outs. By the way, guys, thank you so much for lovely comments for Chechi.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah. So shout out to
Dreams on TV.
Dreams on TV.
Dreams on TV, yeah.
And to Marchi Diary,
Marchi
Filipina
Diary.
Indian family.
Thank you, Marchi.
Ayan. And Princess Jaya Branzuela.
Princess Jaya Branzuela.
And hello to Rowena V. Gonzaga.
Rowena V. Gonzaga.
Bianca David, Moms Filipino Indians.
Bianca David,
Yeah,
Moms
yeah.
Filipino Indian.
Ayan guys, so nagbablog na din siya. She started the vlog. Please watch their videos. And to
Jaswi Tubbs.
Jashevi Tubbs.
Jashevi Tubbs.
Ayan. And to Savage Girl.
Savage Girl. Switzy.
And Jassy
Jassy West. Yes.
VS. Lynn Lasiste.
Lynn Lasiste. Melinda Dayao.
Hello po, Miss Melinda, all the way from US. Ayan.
And May Cons.
Maycons and Bloom
Bloom
Panda.
Panda.
Ayan guys, so ayun muna ang shout out. Sa susunod na yung iba. Thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoy this video. Ayan, too much eating.
Yeah, we eat so much.
Yeah, we eat so much. And we are trying our best to
Stop
try. Stop eating. No, actually, kasi sila, they are very open-minded Indians. So, you know, one time we couldn't vlog to a Japanese restaurant.
Yeah.
But that's my suggestion. I really want that Korean restaurant with the shabu-shabu, right? Hot pot. And then, pinagbigyan nila ako. They said, okay, let's try hot pot. And medyo pa ako. And I was afraid that they will not like it. But, oh my God, guys. Daddy, si Tara, Chechi, they really love it. And also Dia. Right, baby?
Yeah. So I think the
Mommy
thing,
also.
I think most of the time Indians are like so addicted to their own food. Even if you go out, they will eat Indian food only. Even at home, they eat Indian food. So it's nice to have a change, you know. And then basically, I think Indians are not going to these restaurants because nobody has taken them, or they don't know about such things, or they never bothered to know. Also, I think.
Yeah, so we are trying to explore UAE together, guys. Okay, guys, so Chuta is very sweet. Thank you so much and good night. Say good night, baby. Good night,
baby.
Good night. Say bye. Bye.